In this video, we're going to learn how to set image opacity. So let's just change the title for this. Okay, so let's create a couple of images. So first one, let's give it a class of image1, and let's set the source to images picture JPEG, and let's create another image. Let's give it class of image2 and same source. Let's style these two images. So the first one, let's give it a width of 200 pixels and a height of 150 pixels. Now we're going to define the opacity of this picture by using the opacity property, and we can use any value between 0 and 1. So I'm going to go for 0.4 for this one, and let's set a margin right of 30 pixels. Okay, let's go to the second class. Image2, and let's set the width and height as well to the same values. And this time let's set the opacity to 1. So now we can see how the first picture compares to the second picture. So by having a low opacity, we can see that the first picture is transparent compared to the second picture.